Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game not launching, crashing, lagging, not loading or other issues on Xbox. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the update process. Next method is to check for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patch to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after your update the game, now try to play it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, deleting the cache for your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. First open settings, then click on system, then click on storage, then highlight the storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, select clear system cache and at last confirm it by pressing yes, and then check if it's working. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then choose clear persistent storage. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Call of Duty Black Ops 7 official website and download the game. Then check if it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, where nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.